In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add your employees to QuickBooks Online Payroll. Firstly, after enabling Payroll, a pop-up will appear. Select Add Employee. Alternatively, from the Payroll dashboard, click Add Employee on the middle right side of the screen. Now fill in your employee's personal information in the field provided. Enter the address and select the correct option from the drop-down. If the address doesn't appear, just click and find your address above and enter it manually. Enable self-service to allow your employee to view payslips, manage personal details, and apply for leave. Then click Next to proceed. Now input the employee's start date, primary location, pay schedule, and timesheets if using advanced plan. Now choose the employment type, primary pay category, and leave allowance. Advanced payroll plans can automate pay categories to keep everything compliant with legislative changes. Just click Next to continue. Now enter the employee's bank details like BSB and account number. Add Superfund account details if provided. If not available, you can skip to add later, then click Next to continue. Finally, enter the employee's tax file number. If the employee hasn't provided it yet, select I don't have a tax file number for this employee to update later. Tick the appropriate boxes from the employee ATO tax file number declaration form, then click Done to finalize the employee setup.